Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your coupons in the Trandyol app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here you just go into the account menu. And then under the overview section we tap on my coupons. And here it seems that we don't have any coupons. So we can just tap on continue shopping. And yeah. But if you have coupons added to your account, then you will be able to see them here in this tab. And you can use your coupons when you purchase something, either to get a discount or to get a discount in percentage, or to get a discount in how much the price is. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.